giving Logan Depth Finder Read 101. We're on the school of crappies, and he's casting it right behind the boat, catching fish after fish. Drop it down. You gotta let it lay down. You gonna catch one? We're on the school, I think. Are we on the school?
No.
Huh?
No.
There's none there?
No.
Oh, we better back up then. Let's go find them again.
There's some coming out. Probably a whole school.
We're marking fish there. And he's on. You got one? Alright, you watch the fish finder and you keep catching them, okay? I'm going to try to catch one.